The organization at the moment that owns and operates London Clay Art Centre is a charity called the London Potters Guild. The Guild was formed in 1981. In 2000, we started talking about the notion of having our own space. And it wasn't until late 2007 that we first saw this building, 664 Dundas Street. It was dilapidated. There were big holes in the roof, and to the sort of the unimaginative eye, it was a crazy thing to even consider. We first opened to classes and workshops starting in September 2009. So it's been quite a labor of love among a bunch of volunteers who really put their hearts and souls into this to raise the money and build the building. At London Clay Art Centre, we offer a range of programs and services to really serve any segment of the public. But we are the primary studio for about 140 individuals who use this space. And then we provide all kinds of classes and workshops all year long for people who want to learn to throw on a potter's wheel or learn to build things with their hands, functional items, sculptural pieces. The sky's the limit, really. So you can enter as a complete beginner and move sort of through the continuum of development, become an instructor someday, become somebody who exhibits or sells in our retail store. So there are many, many opportunities for people to get involved. Clay really just offers so many entry points, so many opportunities. You take this humble lump, which is literally the earth, and work with it to create it into something that you could use every day, from which you can derive incredible pleasure just, holding a mug to your lips, for instance, in the morning, something that was made by the hands of a local artist and is unique in the world. There's nothing else like it.